Mystery Skype was one of my favorite activities that we did this semester. What you do is you type in Mystery Skype and it leads you to this website. Now, it's a bit overwhelming at first because there's just a lot going on here. But once you sift through the noise, it's easy to figure out what it's all about. So you can watch this video and it helps explain what Mystery Skype is. Essentially, what you do is you create an account and add all of your information, like what time zone you're in, what times and dates you're available, and then you can opt in for a Mystery Skype. Now, there are teachers and classrooms all across the world who are participating in this activity. If you know someone who teaches in a different area, you can set up a personal meeting with them, or you can do someone random, some classroom that's random. What I did was I got in touch with a teacher in Indiana. We set up a date and put in all of our information here, got the meeting set up, and when that time occurred, we logged into Skype, and our students had to ask each other yes or no questions in order to figure out where the other classroom was located. We divided our classroom into teams, and so some people were searching through the map to think of a question. Some people were the only ones who got to speak. They were the communicators. Some people were the data collectors or the greeters, whatever it may be, and that just helps keep things under control. Now, guessing locations from other classrooms is not the only thing you can do. You can also pretty much do anything and be as creative as you want with it. I've seen some that Skype into another classroom and they have to guess the magic number. And you have to ask yes or no questions to one another to guess what number they're thinking of or whatever number you're thinking of. Again, there's just a lot going on here, and if you have time, just search through and find all different activities that you can do. It's a great way to incorporate global awareness in your classroom and with multiple subject areas. I did social studies, but you could do math or STEM, because there was a lot of STEM activities too. So I highly recommend this website to use in your classroom because I did it in kindergarten and it worked, and I just can't imagine how creative and wonderful a Mystery Skype would be with upper grades.